Hi everyone, Miss Capobianco here and welcome. I apologize that some of these videos have been a little bit behind. I just kind of got, I don't know, overwhelmed with editing and didn't get a chance to post a lot of them. So there's going to be a whole bunch of new videos all at once. Okay, have fun with them. This is the first of many that will be available and enjoy. Okay, so today I have a butterfly drawing for you. It's springtime and I'm starting to do some spring themed drawings and maybe even some paintings. Okay, so I'm going to kind of simplify the lesson that was done earlier into, uh, something a little bit less detailed than what I did earlier in class today, just to kind of give everyone a general idea of how to draw a butterfly. Okay, so the one thing about the butterfly is that the wings, they have symmetry, they're symmetrical, which means whatever is on one side is also on the other side. Okay, there's a lot of things that have symmetry in nature, butterfly being one of them. So we just have to be kind of careful. We want to try and make the shapes the same on both sides. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with the body, which is in the center, and it kind of looks like a stick a little bit. It goes like this, and then kind of curves like that. And there's little antenna. Okay. Then we have the upper part of the wings. Again, we're going to try and get this shape to be similar on both sides. It's okay if it's not exact, no big deal. Just do the best you can. I'm going to start about here and curve and go all the way up. And then I'm going to do that on this side too, curve and go up. Okay, this line is going to come down. This line is also going to come down. Okay, I'm trying to keep them about the same. And this is going to curve in and down. This is going to curve in and down. And then the line is going to swoop back to the body like this. Again, not exactly the same, but close enough. I think this one might be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. Next is the lower part of the wing. It's actually going to create kind of a swooping shape that goes all the way around like this, kind of like a big letter C that's on its side. So I'm going to make a big letter C, and on this side, I'm going to make kind of a backwards letter C. Okay, so again, not exactly the same, but it's close enough. Okay, nobody is perfect. I'm just asking you to do the best you can. So I'm actually looking at a picture of a monarch butterfly. I'm going to do a similar design to what the picture is that I'm looking at. And the monarch butterfly, it has like kind of a black like outer edge on its wings. So I'm going to draw that on here. And same thing with its upper wings here. There's this black outer edge that kind of goes around. I'm going to try and do this as close as I can, but again, it's not going to be perfect. This part is kind of hard. I think I'm already doing it wrong, but I'll do the best I can here. Yeah, that's not quite right. Let's see if I can go back and maybe erase a little bit there. And then this shape was actually more like there. So again, not exactly the same. I'm kind of struggling to get this exactly the way I want it to, but as long as it's close enough and you're doing the best you can, that's fine. So next is I'm going to be adding some spots up here and some lines in the lower wings. Okay, so up here, there's a couple of like big spot shapes. And again, I'm trying to do something similar on both sides. Not going to be exactly the same, but again, I'm doing it as close as I can. Okay, same thing down here. There's some spots. And then there's some lines. Okay, so now I have my butterfly. I'm going to stop talking for now, and I'm actually going to start coloring it in. Your butterfly, you can make it whatever colors you want. It doesn't have to be orange and black. You could make yours pink, blue, purple, whatever colors make you happy. My butterfly is big and it took up almost my whole paper. So if you made a butterfly drawing on a big piece of paper and you still have a lot of room left over, then you should add either more butterflies or maybe some flowers or a background, a sky, some trees. But if you want to just do one big butterfly and maybe color in your background or do a design behind the butterfly, you could also do that too. Okay, so the second half of this video is going to just be me coloring, and this is going to be a time-lapsed, fast-forward motion.